the start of the hike, which I hope is gonna be a success. My first solo hike, around 130 something K, and a lot of ascent and descent. And the starting location is pretty epic. Descended a little bit and I'm in, well, pretty much in the jungle, and I have never seen ferns as big as this. Like, I'm literally standing underneath a fern. It's totally insane. So the plan was to get water here, but it's not looking that great. It's completely insane how they have built these levadas. Like, just how? Because down there it's just an abyss. Sun just set a few minutes ago, so it's gonna get dark really soon. I don't know, 32 or 33 K. And I found a nice campsite, really nice and flat. There is water, and I am also pretty much directly on the trail, but it is what it is. Good morning. It's almost 8 o'clock. The sun is out supposedly, but it's also raining, and it's raining pretty hard, or at least that's how it feels like. So yeah, need to pack up the wet tent and then get going, I guess. Yeah, proper jungle experience here. Today is the day that I'm supposed to be doing the biggest peaks of the route. But yeah, it's currently raining and it's not that far. The trail is really insane. It's just like changing every second from jungle to these huge, like, I don't know, coniferous trees. Spruce is absolutely crazy. It's pretty rainy, pretty wet, but I'm protected from the wind, and I don't know, it's kind of pretty cool, like a jungle high mountain thing. Yeah, it's a breeze. Not the nicest conditions right now. Absolutely insane that there is a trail here. I don't know, it just looks like, it just looks so chaotic. Who even came up with this? But it's so epic. Weather got distinctively worse again. As I have been descending, I guess I went like straight back into the rain cloud. Time is ticking. No idea where to make camp yet, so we'll have to see. Good morning. It's a beautiful, so far clear morning. Camped on the first flat spot I found at the edge of this village. So yeah, I started up this trail towards Pico Grande, but someone had kind of scraped the word closed on the sign, but it didn't look very official, so I don't know. I decided to wing it. We'll see. Trail so far well maintained. There are some fresh footprints, but yeah, the map shows kind of a steep and squiggly wiggly bit ahead, so we'll see what happens then. So yeah, 6 kilometers detour, but not the detour to where I needed to get to, but just to the nearest road, which is miles and miles and many hundreds of ascent meters away from where my trail continues. So it definitely not take me here. Yeah, really like a jungle feeling here. I am actually in a cloud as well, so it's crazy humid and pretty warm. So this was some proper type 2 fun. So the trail I was on, it was, I don't know, I guess disused for a while. I can see why. So fallen trees, super muddy, very difficult to find the trail. And yeah, ended up being proper type 2 fun. The sun has already set. I'm just about to reach the central plateau, and I really need to find water and a place to camp. Yeah, just made it to central plateau and finally found water. Now I just need to find the campsite, which is supposedly somewhere here. So it's been an insane evening. Whew. Morning. It's a very cold morning. I am at 1500. This is the plateau up here, and usually I would have some pretty epic views. The route I was supposed to take through this no man's land didn't exist, so now I have to take kind of a detour, the only way that exists here, and then do more road walking. So came down this other bush trail that I found. Now I need to decide whether I take the long route along it, that will take me pretty much to my destination, or I take the short way in case it is maybe impassable and then reach the road and do a road walk. So need to decide. Nearly down, the river is right down there, but there is just one obstacle left, It's literally a cliff drop, and there is a rope, luckily, and even I think even a steel cable. So great, but I can at least see that there is a trail that I'm supposed to meet. So I guess everything is going according to the plan. This was an experience. There was a tunnel, and I think it was like, I don't know, a kilometer or something. Anyway, by the time I got out, it wasn't even raining anymore. So there was a lot of showers. Like water was just rushing down and rushing in from the sides, kind of like a car wash. Pretty special. Definitely really amazing views. The route system, the trails, everything, it's just spectacular.